In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass delete records via the user interface on the Salesforce platform. We all know the time-consuming task of deleting records one by one. Luckily, Salesforce provides a straightforward option to delete multiple records at once, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. Let's dive right into the process. First, what you'll need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to perform mass deletions, as this ability might be restricted based on your role or organization settings. Once you're logged in, make your way to the top right corner where you'll see the gear icon. Click on it and this will open up what's known as the Setup menu. From there, you'll want to select Advanced Setup to proceed. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup section, head over to the Quick Find box, which acts as a helpful search tool within Salesforce. Type in Mass Delete Records. As you begin to type, Salesforce will narrow down your options, making it quicker to find exactly what you need. Clicking on Mass Delete Records will present you with the options to handle bulk deletions for various objects within your Salesforce database. Next, you're going to choose the specific object type you wish to delete. This could include options like accounts, contacts, leads, and others. Selecting the correct object is crucial because it ensures you're managing the right set of data and not affecting records you didn't intend to modify. Once you've selected your object type, you're going to set criteria to filter the specific records you want to delete. Salesforce provides various filtering options that allow for specification, ensuring you target only the records that meet your conditions. Carefully define these criteria to avoid accidental deletions, which can sometimes be irreversible. Upon setting your criteria, click on the Search button. This action will generate a list of records that match your specified conditions. Take a moment here to review that list and ensure all records align with your deletion goals. After verifying the records, you can proceed to select them. You have the option to manually pick individual records, or if you're confident in your search results, simply choose Select All, which will automatically highlight all records listed. With your records selected, it's time to initiate the deletion by clicking the Delete button. Salesforce will prompt you to confirm your decision, providing a final checkpoint. Confirm your intent to proceed, and Salesforce will handle the rest, effectively getting rid of those unwanted records. This convenient feature streamlines the management of your Salesforce data, presenting an efficient avenue to clear out unnecessary records. Remember, regular maintenance of your database helps in better data visibility and performance, ensuring you have more time to focus on what truly matters.